Have you ever gone to break down an event to find spaghetti stains all over your linens? Or how about footprints all over your white linen or your draping panels, right? Some people are just plain rude and they really don't care about nothing when it comes to party time, but let's face it, sometimes it can be our own fault, right? I know I am not alone and I am not the only one who has maybe stored my damp linens away in a bag because I didn't feel like folding them, only to find them moldy and mildew. What if you no longer had to actually throw out your table linens or your drapery fabrics, right? Can you imagine how much money you would save? If you ever freaked out because you possibly had to toss some of your good linen because you couldn't get out those tough stains, you're going to want to keep watching this video to the end. I am going to be sharing with you 2 of my most go-to products to get out almost anything. This way you never have to replace linen again. I used to mix all sorts of concoctions together, trying to save all of my fabrics, right? And in fact, some of them actually got ruined. I would listen to all the advice of other designers that they had while I was searching for solutions in Facebook groups, but that got so frustrating really quick. You want to know why? Because you get so many different tips that you don't know which one to pick from. By watching this entire video, you will save so much time and so much money by actually saving your fabrics and properly caring for them the right way versus throwing them out. And guess what? You don't have to go to no more Facebook groups looking for the answers because this has a proven strategy that is sure to work. Now, if this has happened to you before, because I know I'm not by myself, I want you guys to put a comment below and tell me all about it, right? If you had some stains that you just couldn't remove, what did you do about it, right? I love hearing from you guys and learning about your experiences as well as I share mine. So let's get into these stains, shall we? Now, my first go-to is to actually pre-treat really tough stains with OxiClean. Now, I use this for darker colors or very delicate fabric and for stains such as grass stains, spaghetti stains, footprints, you name it, this stuff really works. OxiClean is great for porous fabric or any kind of stains that need lifting because it actually contains sodium carbonate and percarbonate, which is baking soda and washing soda. This is actually oxygen and is what cleans and brightens the stains. It has, that foaming technique, that foaming action that actually lifts the stains from in between the fibers of the fabric that many soaps just actually coat. Now, did you find that helpful? You can easily let me know by simply liking this video with a thumbs up. Not to mention, it really helps my channel so I can spend more time creating tips, tricks, and techniques for you guys, right? So let's go on to my second go-to product. Now, when things get really bad and I'm dealing with mold or mildew, my go-to is to spot treat stains with Zeep mold and mildew, right? It works wonders. Another reason I prefer spot treating is because I can actually control the amount of pressure applied to my fabrics as opposed to a wash machine. When you're putting it in a wash machine, you don't really know what kind of beating that your fabrics is getting, right? Especially if they are delicate. This is why you'll be better off with this method. Now, you would spray the Zeep onto the stains and literally watch them dissolve into outer space, right? Now, these are just 2 ways I actually remove tough stains. But if you wonder what's the best way to actually wash the entire draping panels or your linen, you want to watch my next video to learn 4 different ways that I actually wash my linen. Now, all linen is not the same, so your maintenance techniques really do depend on the texture. But don't worry, I got you. Just watch my next video because if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, now is a good time. Also, you want to turn on your notifications bell so you are notified once the video actually uploads. Now, if you want to learn how to get started with premium draping, guess what? I created a free trial bonus introductory course that lays out everything you need to know to get started so you can jumpstart your draping services off on the right foot. Take it from the draping queen herself because I was able to not only learn draping, but I turned it into a 6-figure business in no time. So click that link below in the description to gain instant access into the course.